the ultimate cardiovascular health elixir. Are you aiming for a long, healthy life? The key is maintaining a clean cardiovascular system, and I'm here to show you how. Whether you have heart disease, clogged arteries, or high blood pressure, this elixir will benefit you immensely. The power of extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is packed with antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin E. These antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, reducing inflammation in your blood vessels and heart. It lowers bad cholesterol, raises good cholesterol, and reduces triglycerides, preventing artery plaque. Polyphenols also relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing hypertension. Chia seeds, a heart-healthy superfood. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce heart disease and inflammation. Filled with soluble and insoluble fiber, they act as prebiotics, feeding your guts probiotics. This produces butyrate, a powerful anti-inflammatory that protects your colon and reduces body-wide inflammation, including in your blood vessels and heart. Chia seeds also improve insulin sensitivity and provide lasting energy. The magic of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper reduces cholesterol, prevents artery plaque, and lowers heart disease risk. It has natural blood-thinning properties, reducing blood clot formation. Capsaicin in cayenne pepper promotes nitric oxide production, which dilates blood vessels, lowers blood pressure, and improves circulation. It also speeds up metabolism, aiding in weight loss. Creating the elixir. Here's what you need. 1-2 teaspoons of chia seeds. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 3 a dash of cayenne pepper. Instructions. Combine the chia seeds and olive oil in a small glass. 2 let it sit for 10-15 minutes, stirring occasionally as the chia seeds swell. 3 add a dash of cayenne pepper, adjusting to taste. 4 stir well and drink it before your meals. Benefits. 1 enhance satiety, feeling full, leading to reduced overeating. 2 lower blood pressure. 3 improved circulation. 4 increased energy. 5 balance glucose and insulin levels. 6 better digestion and reduced inflammation. This simple elixir can transform your health. Here is your elixir recipe again. 1-2 teaspoons of chia seeds. 1-2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. A dash of cayenne pepper. Remember, maintaining your cardiovascular health is essential for a long and vibrant life. Start incorporating this elixir into your daily routine and feel the difference. Share this video with your friends and family, leave your comments below, and have a beautiful day.